So they have the ILR method, their principal component analysis, but they also have other methods like the singularity-based analysis or method, Fry analysis, etc., which are less common. Well, you can ask, please explain me how to use the robust principal component analysis, and it will give you an explanation. Same thing, for example, explain the singularity-based SA method, and it will give you an explanation of how to use it. So a combination of these two methods will allow you to extract all the information that you need from your paper. So let's go back and let's talk now about the summary. One thing I need to mention here, that this paper, like many papers that are related to the academy and not to the industry, they miss one very important moment in their study. And this moment is precisely the use of quality control samples. So basically, they do very advanced analysis. They compile data from multiple sources, but regrettably, since they didn't use quality controls like standards, duplicates, blanks, etc., we cannot validate this data. It doesn't mean that they are wrong, but it means that we cannot validate it. And since we cannot validate it, then we cannot accept their conclusions and recommendations blindfolded.